Hello, everybody. A very warm welcome to all of you, and I'd like to personally thank you for removing time for this presentation. So before I begin, I would just like to make sure that all of you can hear me clearly, and you could, of course, do the same by putting it up in the chat or the questions log in front of you. Great. Thank you so much for the confirmation. I'm Janki Matasha from Reseller Club, and I'll be talking to you about all the aspects of our reseller program. So giving you a brief introduction, Reseller Club is DirectEye's reseller-focused business arm. So what this essentially means is that any decision at Reseller Club is taken keeping our resellers in mind, keeping your benefits in mind. So being a reseller-focused registrar, we need to ensure constantly that you're provided with all the possible resources and have everything you need to start your business and eventually grow. So this is what matters to us the most. Now, if you have any questions during this presentation, you can mail them to webinar@resellerclub.com or put them up in the questions log in front of you, and I'll try and answer them towards the end of this presentation. Right, so this is the summary of everything I'll be covering today. I will start by giving you a few facts about our company and our achievements so far. I would then mainly like to concentrate on the three basic questions of any reseller program. That is, what are the products and services available for you to sell? How can you sell these products and services? And finally, how can you manage your entire business? Now, I would also like to talk about a few other essential aspects that play a very key role in deciding whether you should partner with us or not. Things like support, how are we different from the competition, and of course the regular promotions that we offer to our resellers. And finally, how could you start doing business with us almost immediately? Right, so getting started then, as I mentioned earlier, Reseller Club is a part of the DirectEye Group, which is a $300 million enterprise and is growing exponentially. We've been consistently ranked amongst the top 5 reseller-focused registrars and have over 10 years of industry experience. Now, this can assure you of a stable and technologically advanced reseller business platform. Again, as I mentioned before, at Reseller Club, it's all about our resellers. It's all about you. So, having said that, we always look out for our resellers and help them maintain their online brand. So we are a completely private label registrar, and this is something that none of the other top 5 reseller-focused registrars have today. Every single interface that you can provide to your customers and resellers is completely brandable. Hence, your customers and sub-resellers will never ever know that we are your service providers. Right, so we have over 3 million domains on our system with more than 55,000 resellers spread over more than 240 countries, giving us a global presence. Right, so just to show you the kind of progress Reseller Club has been making, these are some of the awards we've received over the last few years. Now, we constantly receive similar awards from commendable industry sources, ensuring our existing and potential resellers that they are in safe hands. So this just goes to show you that we constantly strive to offer the best so we can be the best in the industry. Right, so coming to the 3 basic questions now, the first of course being, what can you sell? The products available for you to offer to your customers and resellers. So starting with domain names, this is one product that sets us apart for several reasons. We will be covering our pricing today and our extensive domain portfolio, and then we'll have a look at all the variety of free services that we offer with every single domain name. Right, so again, getting started, we have 50 plus domain extensions, all of them, of course, available at extremely competitive prices, giving you the opportunity to tap the global market. Now, all the domain registrations at Reseller Club are done through a white label registrar, which is Public Domain Registry, making it impossible to find the actual service provider. So when you actually do a who is lookup for any of the domain names registered with us, you will find Public Domain Registry as the registrar on record. And if you actually visit this website, The prices mentioned here are so high that no end customer would actually want to buy from here directly. Now, again, every domain name registered at Reseller Club is also clubbed with several free services worth hundreds of dollars, right? Over and above that, we offer GTLDs for as low as $7.89. And again, this pricing can be further negotiated based on the volumes of business promised by you. Now, other than the 50 plus TLDs that are mentioned here, we're constantly working towards adding as many extensions as we can. So if you feel you have a growing demand for a specific TLD not offered, you can definitely write to us and we can work towards getting that on board as well. So, for example, recently we received a lot of requests to integrate .nz with our system, of course. And so we went ahead with the process and successfully integrated it and launched it a couple of months ago. So similarly, as of now, we're looking forward to integrating .ca, .au, and .de, and it'll be launched very, very shortly. Right, so coming to the free services with every domain name, if you compare us with the likes of eNorm and OpenSRS, you'll see that Reseller Club has a lot more to offer, and that too for absolutely free. Now, currently we have features like free chat service in our beta launch as of now, and will be available for all of our resellers very, very soon. Then we have the Privacy Protect for absolutely free, while eNorm charges $6 for this very same service. And then we have the free domain and email forwarding, which again is offered for 25 cents per address by OpenSRS, whereas at Reseller Club, it's absolutely free. And then we also have free managed DNS and, of course, free website builder and email accounts, which again are chargeable services with eNorm and OpenSRS. So basically what I'm trying to say here is, all in all, this just goes to show you that not only do we have better prices, but we also offer these extremely beneficial add-on services with every domain name for absolutely free. Right? Now again, these services are worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and providing these services for free will definitely enable you to retain your customers and add a great deal of value to your propositions. Right, so that is mostly everything about our domains product. So now, while the domain name business is extremely important, our motive here at Reseller Club is to offer you a set of basic web infrastructure products. Now, these products would be required by any customer to establish any sort of online presence. Now, in other words, we're looking to make you a one-stop shop for all your customers' web-based needs. So, starting with our unlimited hosting plan, our unlimited hosting packages are available for both Linux and Windows. Now, every feature, every parameter of our hosting product is unlimited, which means that it is suitable for any type of customer. Now, one of the biggest advantages of this product is that it brings a great recall value with potential customers. Now, let's say your customer is looking around at several providers out there. The fact that you now have only one single product with unlimited features, the recall value of that is far easier. And the fact that everything is considered to be unlimited, they will know that what you're offering will be greater than the competition anyways. Right? So it will completely eliminate any confusion which is associated with multiple packages, and the product will be able to satisfy the needs of any possible customer out there, no matter what their requirements are.